Alright, welcome to the Nuts second box break of 2011 Legends. Gonna really try to speed it up. Motorsports Masters Shirley Downing. She has a lot of inscriptions into this product. Probably more so than I think anyone's ever done. Pace in the Field, Richard Petty. And by the way, shirt in the background. Press pass on card isn't hard. Parallel. Terry Labonte when he won the IROC Championship for Davey Allison, I believe. I'd have to check. Yeah. Because IROC had different rules. I think they ought to bring IROC back and let the women do it. That'd be kind of cool. Motorsports Masters, Bobby Allison. Number 30 of 50, Tony Stewart. Will he overtake Carl Edwards? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors on that. It's our first hit. And the next one should be an autograph. This is my favorite. Dave Marcus, premier year 1968. Also my premier year. Like the legendary leaders card. You got a press plate. Harry Gant, 101, number 33, Motorsports Masters. It's the black. That's our autograph, I guess, for this. 101, you can't beat that. Second box. Okay, Yarborough Motorsports Masters. Still uploading the other video. Pace in the Field, Jeff Gordon. Fred Lorenzen. Pack feels like it's the race used. And it is Donnie Allison, 147. Plain beige. Darrell Waltrip. Jeff Burton parallel. There's 4 new autographed subjects in this product. James Hilton, Dale Inman, Chocolate Myers, and Dick Bergeron. Supposed to be Herschel McGriff, but they couldn't get a deal in time. Red Tony Stewart. Now this one's bent. I didn't do it. And a Carl Edwards Redemption. Legends Gold autograph card. That's wild. Last box. 15-25 parallel. Davey Allison Motorsports Masters. Bill Elliott, facing the field. Tim Richmond parallel. Mario Andretti, Last Time Legacies, blue collar swatch. Jerry Cook, Motorsports Masters. So vice president in NASCAR now. Used to run modifieds. And some 50 greatest drivers. Mario Andretti parallel. Last pack, last box. Matt Kenseth, 21/90 autograph. Been big time this year too. And Mario Andretti, red parallel. That's it. Remember, show the autograph one more time.
Press Pass on Card Isn't Hard. Thank you for Press Pass for the boxes. Everything will be given away. Some of them may be used for the end of year chase contest. Not really sure how we're doing that yet. But please go out and buy some. Thank you. And this is from www.nascarcardnuts.com.